Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your Average Stacker again. Hope you guys are well and enjoying yourself. Thank you very much for coming by and watching this video on my stacking and collecting journey. In this video I just wanted to have a chat really about prices, gold really. So as you guys know, recently purchased some gold. But like yesterday and this week actually, the price has increased. Well, I wouldn't say prices, let's zoom in on this video actually. I wouldn't say prices have increased. I mean, in the USA, the dollar price, the gold has been steady and declining. But in the UK, we're seeing the pound being hammered, and so the price of gold to purchase that has actually gone up. So interesting times. Never really occurred to me when previously that if the price of the pound is dropping against the dollar, we would be paying higher prices. Well, it occurred to me, but I didn't really take notice of it because the pound and dollar was like near enough level. But now that we actually seen a drop like considerably in the pound against the dollar, noticing that more and more, and so yeah, now because I'm recording my videos and it's really about my journey really. This is what I'm experiencing right now really. In the UK we're experiencing high prices of gold, even though it's going down or gone down considerably this year, from the dollar perspective anyway. And so I haven't really experienced that, or maybe I have experienced it, but it's been hasn't been such a big notice. Like I haven't noticed it as much because there wasn't a bigger jump or a bigger decrease before, but now I'm experiencing it. Yeah, with silver though, is you can't really tell because it's so the margin within the prices are still quite low. I mean, I think the spot price was £17.50. Today is the 24th of September. The spot price of silver, that is £17, around about £17.50 spot price, I believe, in the UK anyway. But on the charts, you see it steadily decline in dollars, and that's the same with gold. So you see the charts on gold. The prices are steadily declining, whereas the UK is like a curve and going up now. So yeah, it's interesting to see really actually, because you know I bought these on the dip, and it's gone up by around about £50-60 since I bought it. So yeah, it's kind of like yeah, if I was to buy it this week, I would have been put off by it, because even though the price of gold in dollars is nowhere near the all-time high, well, it's not nowhere near, but near by a couple $100, but in the UK price, it's near the all-time highs, like within £30-40, I believe. And so right now the spot price is around about 1517, 1517, 1517. So yeah, it kind of like opened up my eyes really, because you know, even though the spot, everyone around me, like YouTube videos etc, and the news saying dollar gold prices plummeting by the dollar, that is, you know, I'm not seeing that. Well, we're not seeing that in the UK because the pound has weakened against the dollar, and so yeah, if only we can get this cheaper than we previously purchased for, then yeah, it has been plummeting. But yeah, it's just mentality really, because if the gold price has been plummeting, is now the right time to buy it, even though we're paying more for it, let's say. And it seems like we're paying more for things these days anyway, so with inflation etc etc. But yeah, so, and obviously silver is looking a little bit more attractive because of that, because the higher prices for gold. But yeah, the reason why I'm considering more gold, even though at high prices, is storage really. Like not in storage, but like with the world that is now, like say if you need to be in a hurry and get out of somewhere, um, you know, is it quicker to get your gold out or silver? Would you be reaching for silver or gold? I believe you'd be reaching for a little bit of gold and then that's it on your way. But silver, if say if you had a lot of it, you know, you have to go and collect it. You know, think about the weight, think about carrying it, etc. So that's why I'm thinking, even though it's at higher prices right now, you know, getting more gold, but who knows? Cost of living, etc., has held me back quite a bit, and so yeah, who knows at the moment? At the moment, I'm just going day by day. You know, trying to enjoy life really. It's kind of like a bit difficult with everything, and you're worried about the future. So yeah, that's my point this week and my experience this week and what I'm feeling right now. You know, I feel like yeah, the worries of tomorrow is making my decision about which to purchase or what not to purchase or whether to purchase or whatnot. So yeah, it's just be like thinking about it and yeah, don't know what to do really. Well, I do know what to do, but yeah, it's just been a steady decline really with gold prices, but we're not seeing that, so it's interesting to see. And yeah, my plans for that has changed because you know, I'm not buying as much as this stuff because of cost of living, etc., and also the world as it is now, really. And so, been concentrating on other stuff. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts of that. Or well, you still buying gold, even though in the UK that is. I know in America you probably still be buying, and it's probably a good time to buy. But in the UK, prices are higher than previously, or near all times highs in Great British pounds anyway. So that's my thoughts this week anyway. So it's interesting to see this on my journey, and so it's always going to be opening my mind about the dollar and pound now. So, and you know, see the correlation, and yeah, it's been an interesting week really. So yeah, and yeah, it's just that you know, I don't know what the politics is doing because of the pound plummeting. Like they released a mini budget yesterday, and don't know. We'll see. And it doesn't look like the pound is looking too good for the pound anyway. So, and that means the gold doesn't look as good as before. Well, you can't purchase as much as before anyway. So, who knows? Prices will go down. Prices go up. So, let me know what your thoughts are that. Whether you think prices will go back to the way they was, and whether the pound will increase in strength against the dollar, or do you actually see it falling even more? Thank you very much for coming by and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.